off by myself.
Tell me what you're thinking about.
Lollipops and jelly and peanut butter and jelly.
Your hair is so cute, Chase. And peanut butter? What do you...
I like lollipops and peanut butter. I like them. I like them two lollipops. And I like popsicle ones. And lollipop ones. And lollipops. And lollipops. And lollipops. And lollipops. And lollipops. I like...
Hey, baby, I will in just a second, okay? I'm talking to Chase right now. You wanted to get down. I love Chase's hair right here.
I don't want you to get in.
Look at it flying around.
I can get in.
Sophie can get in by herself. Look at her.
I can get in mine.
I don't know why. Sophie just figured out the trick. Look at her. Uh-oh.
It has it higher. It has it higher and Sophie's mine lower. And Sophie's higher.
I think they're pretty much the same.
Sophie's lower.
She can't do it this time. Sophie, run and jump on it. Run and jump on it like you did the first time. Run to it and jump in it.
No.
No?
That's fine. That's fine.
Chase, when you were thinking about lollipops and peanut butter, were you thinking about eating them together? Do you eat lollipops and peanut butter at the same time? Do you?
What?
Do you eat them at the same time?
I go quench, milk, quench, milk, quench, milk, quench, milk. Daddy.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, that was good, baby girl. Are you still crunch licking?
That's
Okay.
How is this for me?
You jumping out?